Hey guys, Wednesday, June 26th, 2024, U.S. session close. Let's see what's cooking. So far, change of contract, fail. Push lower, look at the Bears. The Bears are in control. The Black Widow is swinging her high heels and just splashing wine on everybody in the party. She's coming in fierce. Simple glance chart, as you can see, the trend is still down. MACD is still negative, now below value area, what is that? Point of control, which is 281. That's the 270 degree and a square of 9. So keep that in mind. Took out value area high of 276. Pushing lower. Can you hear the thunder? It's raining out here in Tennessee. Below the mobile bands. And you know what? This pivot could be kissed. 263. And if it's taken out or if it bounces, that's good. Tomorrow, statistically, not guaranteed, dealing with probabilities, statistically, it's a bullish day. So what could that mean? Maybe some numbers are coming out, and maybe it's bullish. I don't know. But you know how it is. Statistically, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So take it with a grain of salt. But I'd rather have you be aware just in case you see a big pop. MACD is still negative, very oversold. You got this dead cat bounce, change of contract, and now pulling back. I said this is the area to accumulate or at least dip your toes in, not here. Let's go to the daily chart with the geometry. So far, we failed this angle, which was important right here. And now this is the one we want to see if this is going to hold. If this is going to hold, we should expect to bounce. Remember the 27th, which is tomorrow. There's the 45 and 90 calendar count all lining up tomorrow. So I don't know. It might be some fireworks. You got the eclipse technique too. A lot of things happening here. So let's see. I don't know if it's a big drop or just a dud or we get a big pop. So just stay vigilant. Watch price action because price action is king. Let's look at our levels. As you can see, this level is pretty strong, 255. That could be a nice little sweet spot. Mobiles is still positive. The trend is still up, but you can see on the daily chart, it's getting a little weak. And we failed the 50 moving average. You can see this is a nice little area of support, 267. That doesn't hold 254. That number keeps coming up, 254. On the 4 hour, it's already giving you clues like, hey, you know what? It could be really ugly. So be vigilant. And statistically, if you're a bull, it might be positive. So it depends how you look at it. But the indicator is showing this. Statistically is showing this. So pick which pill you're going to take, the blue pill or the red pill. Either pill you take, the Black Widow is still coming. 270 right here. And obviously the low of last week was 267. Let's say they're really going to push it. I don't know. I mean, you never know. It could really get ugly. The extreme target's 257, and the last weekly target will be 252, 253. That's if they're going to get really crazy. For tomorrow's session only, if you're a bull, you at least wanted to get above 279, pretty much 281. That's the 270 degree. But if it bounces in the overnight session and fails, I don't know. It all depends. It all depends where it's going. But this is your last pivot. If this is going to go down, maybe it could bounce here. But this is your last target, which is a 266 or around 269. But you're below the 200 moving average. But that's the line in the sand for tomorrow. For at least some bullish action. And if you know what, let's say statistical calendar works and they bounce it and it kind of hovers around here in the US session, whatever numbers come out or whatever happens, statistical calendar is bullish, then obviously your first target would be the high of, Wednesday, 286. And then for extreme will be 289 all the way to 292. This is a gift from the gods if you get up here. Let's look at the statistical calendar real quick. I mean, not statistical calendar. I'm like mumbling here. Square of 9. What was the low we did here? It was around 272. Oh, that thunder's strong. They could push it, guys, to 266, 265. An extreme 257. But if they're going to put, if they're going to pop it with the statistical calendar, whatever data's coming out, if there is something coming out, because I haven't really looked, back to 281 all the way to 289. So I can kind of see this back and forth, or maybe new pushing, lower in between here and here. That's it for me. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.